This video is sponsored by Google. I love using Google Meet's calling functionality to stay connected and see my friends and family. Whether it's on my PC doing a group video session with my YouTube fam, or I'm just calling my niece to talk about her new favorite princess dress. I even used it recently to help my grandma fix a tech problem, even though she lives half a continent away. Since it is cross-platform, Google Meet has been my go-to for video calls for several years now. If you have never used it before, I feel like you're missing out. I find it to be particularly useful because I'm not stuck using any specific operating system or platform. It just works on any of my phones, my tablet, my laptop, and my PC. So no matter where I am at the time, I can initiate a call. So these are my favorite features of calling with Google Meet and how to get started. Now, I am assuming that you have never used Google Meet calling functionality before. So let's get started by adding your phone number to your account so you can receive video calls. Now, you will need to open the Google Meet app, which is available in the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. Open the app and click on the three lines. That's the little hamburger menu icon. Then click Settings. On this menu, you will see blue text that says Add Calling Account. Click on this, then type in your phone number and click Continue. Now, if you've never used Google Meet on this device before, the app will send you a text message with a verification code. Enter that code into the app and then click Done. A screen pops up saying phone number verified, telling you that you are ready to receive calls. You will also see your calling account is now linked down at the bottom of the screen. So from here, just return to the main menu. Now your friends and your family can call you via Google Meet by calling your phone number in the app. Okay, that's cool, but how do we invite all of your own friends to use calling with Google Meet? Now, I'm using my Pixel Fold for this example. In the application, I can click on the search box to open my contacts and find whomever I want to call. This searches my phone's contacts, and you can look up people by typing in their name or their phone number. If they aren't already on Google Meet, you just tap Invite, and an invitation message will be generated for them. This will open your SMS app, and you can click Send to send the link to them. And from here, just have your contacts set up their own Google Meet app for video calling. Google Meet can also do group calls. Now, I set up a group call every single month for a group of friends, and this is how we stay in touch even when traveling or if somebody moves out of state. So to set up your group call, open the Google Meet app. At the bottom right, tap the button that says New, then tap Create Group. Choose everybody that you want to invite to the group, tap Done, and then tap Start Call. Now, in the call, you can take advantage of a bunch of features. For example, tapping the three dots, which is the menu icon, then choosing Effects, then scrolling through the options will allow you to choose a new background. For example, you can blur a sensitive background behind you. You can choose a still image or an animated wallpaper. Now, personally, I like this one because it makes me feel like I'm on vacation every day on the beach. There are tons of advanced features that you can use. For example, I love using augmented reality filters whenever I talk to my brother. He just gets a kick out of making himself look like a pirate. I mean, he kind of looks like a pirate in real life, so it definitely works. On the preview screen before you initiate the call, you can also send your friends and family emojis. So in my case, I'm sending my husband this little heart emoji. I felt like it was so cute. There are so many features when calling with Google Meet, not just the ones that I have shown you here. So given that it's so easy to use, it works on all of my devices, and the videos are high quality, I use it for all sorts of scenarios. Give it a try, comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much again to Google for sponsoring this video. Bye, y'all.